I'm Marion Cliffe. I'm a dietitian based in North Wales. Studies have been done showing that using the Counterweight plus protocol to help patients to achieve type 2 diabetes remission has been successful in a trial situation. So now we're looking at how that works in real life.
Just making me breakfast. Chocolate flavour this morning. And that's it, breakfast sorted. Give it a try. Yep, lovely.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm all right, thank you. How are you?
Good, thank you.
Come in. So, how's it gone this week?
Different to last week.
Okay, not so good.
No.
Found it difficult this week to keep going?
I was in work nearly 6 days a week.
Right.
So that made it difficult and stressful at work, so yeah, I went off the rails a bit.
Okay, what kind of thing happened then?
Obviously, with the kind of work I do, got stressful. Had a plate of chicken dinner.
Right.
And on Sunday, was it? I had a pancake early. So, but that's it though. That's the hardest time for me when I'm preparing the meal for the family. Making chicken dinner, so the veg, sweet carrots, and I got the chicken going in about an hour's time. It's hard because my favourite meal is a chicken dinner, but when they're eating, I'll just go and read a book or I'll go and have a bath, just get myself out of the way, out of the temptation.
But the rest of the time, even though you've been working 6 days,
I have stick to it.
You've managed to take everything you needed. And
yes. So it's, on the whole, it's going well.
Shall we weigh you and see what's happened? Because you did really well last week. We're trying to help people to get their type 2 diabetes into remission by using a phase of total diet replacement, so shakes and soups in place of normal food for 12 weeks to achieve quite significant weight loss, and then having quite an intensive intervention and support to help them to maintain that weight loss.
Having time away from food for 12 weeks allows people to reflect on old eating patterns.
I used to have breakfast, which was probably 4 slices of toast for breakfast. I used to have 2 rounds of sandwich for lunch, a nice proper veggie meal, and probably 2 rounds of bread and a packet of crisps for supper, which was, in a day, I was going through about a loaf of bread, which was a lot. Thank God my dad was a baker. Chocolate was my downfall. I'd eat a big bag of chocolate on a daily basis. So what I tend to do now is to get that chocolate flavour, I take the chocolate flavour milkshake, so in the evenings, so it replaces the chocolate I used to have. It's not too bad actually, it's quite nice.
So it was 116.5, so you've still lost nearly another kilo.
Right.
And actually, if you were to average out those 2 weeks, that's really good going. You've lost about 4 kilos overall in 2 weeks.
Right.
We're expecting that you were going to lose 1.5 kilos a week, so you've exceeded that expectation.
Right, so going in the right direction,
yes.
Still on target, aren't we? Which is good.
Yeah.
Okay. I do feel different in my clothes. I do get nice comments now.
Already,
so,
people are already noticing, and that's encouraging.
That's giving me a bit of
a
boost, so yeah, very encouraging. I'm flatter. I do get comments saying it has gone down, so which makes me feel good and positive and wanting to carry on this programme.
I think what's been missing from some of the early work was this work on weight loss maintenance, so carrying on and realising that it isn't just that short-term phase of losing the weight, it's the hard work bit is the bit about then learning how to keep it off and maintain that for life.
I used to be a healthy, fit young person playing football to being where I am now, unable really to close my laces.
2 weeks in, he's already thinking, oh, 12 weeks is going to be a long time. A year is going to be a really long time, isn't it? But really, it's for life. It's not even, it's only a year we're supporting them for, but it's for life that we're trying to make changes that they're going to keep going and then maintain that lower weight and that health long term. That's the plan.